Do this in your face. You'll hallucinate with the results. You probably have too dry, oily, with acne or black spots. No skin is perfect, and to look the best aspect we have to take care of it. There are many ingredients in the market that you can benefit from, but you can also easily make your own puttings at home. First of all, you must take into account the type of skin you have, all its characteristics, because depending on this parameter, you will have to contort for one or the other. The routine at home and work creates us a stress inside, in addition to all the problems that appear in the day-to-day. The cells of the dermis suffer and their aging accelerates, causing wrinkles, irregularities in tone and other alterations. That is, the skin, our first physical barrier against microorganisms, performs too many functions a day, such as preventing the entry of these pathogens, controlling the temperature in the body through sweat, has the sense receptors, etc. Therefore, it is necessary that you take care of it if you want it to look with luminosity, elasticity and turgor. In addition, there are other reasons why the skin is affected: drugs like tobacco and alcohol, poor diet, with unhealthy diets, oxidative stress, diseases. If you do not want to spend money on expensive cosmetics, you do not have the time to allow yourself a cosmetic treatment, or you like homemade products, there are facial masks that will improve your beauty and the appearance of your complexion. We present you one, aspirin and water. To make this home scrub, you only need 1 pair of aspirin and 1 tablespoon of honey or 2 of water. Squeeze the aspirins, add them to the fluid you have chosen and spread them over the face without touching the eye contour. Perform gentle massage with your fingers and let it effect for 6 minutes. Remove with warm water. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.